Hi, my name is Venkat Durgara. If you like my class, subscribe VDR channel. In last class, we have explained funds flow statement part 1 up to live statement of changes in working capital shown in the previous class, and liabilities items will be how the treatment will be shown in the previous class will be explained. Now we are showing the continuation of the part 1. Okay, like assets, current assets are shown in the working capital. Remaining expenses assets are explained in the at present. So assets are four types: current assets, fictitious assets, intangible assets, and fixed assets. The all assets will be explained each and every item the treatment. Okay, fictitious assets are shown. Like fictitious are preliminary expenses, discount on issue of shares, discount on issue of debentures, miscellaneous expenditure. It is given in the asset side. Okay, assets always shows opening balance debit, closing balance credit. Assets always shows opening balance debit, closing balance credit. Okay, liabilities will be shows opening credit, closing debit. Okay, so here assets will be opening balance debit, closing balance will be credit. For example, preliminary expenses opening will be given 10,000, closing will be given 8,000. The remaining amount means transfer to P&L account, written off. It means amortization of the fictitious assets. The fictitious assets are given in the question always in the decreasing form. Okay, opening will be given 10, closing will be given 8, or opening will be given 8, closing will be given 6. So fictitious assets always given in the question in the decrease format only, not in the increase format. So this is the treatment of preliminary expenses, discount on shares, discount on dividend, miscellaneous expenses will be shown. Okay, next we will explain the intangible assets. Okay, intangible assets will be explained in the intangible assets. Intangible assets like goodwill, patent, trademark, copyright. Intangibles like goodwill, patent, trademark, copyright. Intangible assets will be have two ways of difference amount. The amount will be decreases, goodwill amount will be decreases, the amount is written off. It means the value of the firm will be decreases, the amount is transferred to the profit and loss account as written off. Okay, if intangible assets are increases, the amount will be treated as a to cash purchase. So goodwill opening balance debit, closing balance credit. For example, goodwill is opening 50,000, closing 60,000. It means increase in the goodwill. It means to cash purchase. It means purchase of goodwill. For example, the goodwill amount will be decreases. So opening amount will be 100. Opening amount will be taken 100. Closing amount will be 60. It means decrease in the goodwill. It is a transfer to the by profit and loss account written off. So if goodwill will be increases, treated as a to cash purchase. If goodwill will be decreases, treated as by P&L written off. Okay, so if purchase amount will be shown in the funds flow statement as application side, P&L amount will be shown in the adjusted P&L account debit side. Okay, P&L account items are all shown in the adjusted P&L account. If P&L account will be written in the credit side, it will be transferred to the profit and loss adjustment account debit side. If cash will be right on the debit side, it will be shown in the application. If cash right on the credit side is shown in the sources side. Okay, so the P&L cash only written in the some items of the accounts. P&L amount రాస్తాం, లేదంటే కనుక క్యాష్ అని చెప్పి మనం రాస్తాం. ప్రాఫిట్ అండ్ లాస్ రాసే అకౌంట్ని అడ్జస్టెడ్ P&L అకౌంట్లోని ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ మనకి క్రెడిట్లో కనిపిస్తే P&L అకౌంట్ అడ్జస్టెడ్ P&L అకౌంట్లో డెబిట్లో వేస్తాం. ఒకవేళ P&L అకౌంట్ కనుక మనకి డెబిట్లో కనబడితే అడ్జస్టెడ్ P&L అకౌంట్లో క్రెడిట్లో వేస్తాం. అలాగే క్యాష్, క్యాష్ అనే పదాన్ని మన ఫండ్స్ ఫ్లో స్టేట్మెంట్ లాస్ట్లో సోర్సెస్ అప్లికేషన్ సైడ్, మనకి డెబిట్లో కనుక క్యాష్ అని ఉంటే మనం సోర్సెస్ అప్లికేషన్ సైడ్ అనేది చూపిస్తాం. ఒకవేళ క్రెడిట్లో కనుక క్యాష్ అని ఉంటే మనం డెబిట్లో మనం సోర్సెస్ కింద చూపిస్తాం. సో రివర్స్ పోస్టింగ్ అనేది క్యాష్కి సంబంధించిన ఐటమ్స్ అన్ని ఈక్విటీ షేర్ క్యాపిటల్ లయబిలిటీస్ చెప్పిన ఐటమ్స్ దగ్గర నుంచి అన్నీ కూడాను మనం 2 వర్డ్స్ వాడతాం, ప్రాఫిట్ అండ్ లాస్ అని, ఇంకోటి క్యాష్ అని. ఇవి ఎందుకు రాస్తామంటే P&L రాసినవన్నీ కూడా అడ్జస్టెడ్ P&L అకౌంట్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేయాలి, క్యాష్ అనే పదం రాసినవన్నీ కూడాను మనము ఫండ్స్ ఫ్లో స్టేట్మెంట్ లాస్ట్ సోర్సెస్ అండ్ అప్లికేషన్ అమౌంట్లోని ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేయాలి. మనకి ఏ విధంగా ఫండ్స్ వచ్చినాయి, ఏ విధంగా ఫండ్స్ని మనం యూటిలైజ్ చేసామనేది ఈ యొక్క ఫండ్స్ ఫ్లో స్టేట్మెంట్లో చూపిస్తాం. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ మనం ఇంటాంజిబుల్ అసెట్స్ గురించి చెప్పుకున్నాం. అలాగే ఇందాక ఫిక్టీషియస్ అసెట్స్ గురించి కూడా మనం డిస్కస్ చేయడం జరిగింది. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ విల్ బి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ ది ఫిక్స్డ్ అసెట్స్. ఫిక్స్డ్ అసెట్స్ విల్ బి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్డ్. Fixed assets. Without adjustments, fixed assets will be shown as. So first fixed asset is furniture. Furniture assets opening balance debit, closing balance will be credit. If furniture will be decreases, the amount is depreciation. By P&L, depreciation will be shown. Okay. If furniture will be increases, the amount is to cash purchase. Opening balance debit side, closing balance credit side. Opening balance 10,000, closing balance 8,000. The remaining amount by profit and loss depreciation. The amount is shown in the adjusted P&L account debit side to depreciation on furniture. If opening balance is 10,000, closing balance is 20,000, the amount is treated as 10,000 to cash purchase. The amount is shown in the funds flow statement as application side 10,000 furniture purchase. Okay, this is about the furniture, one of the fixed asset. Let us see the some assets in the fixed assets. Fixed assets, some other examples like investment and land and building. Investment, land and building. If they have no adjustment, investments opening balance debit side, closing balance credit side. Okay, opening balance debit, closing balance credit. Investment amount is increases to cash purchase. If investment amount will be decreases by cash sale. So without any adjustments having investment and land and building, if increased amount will be have, it is a purchase. It is shown in the application side. If it is decreases, treated as a sale amount, it will be shown in the funds flow statement sources side. Okay, this is the investment and land and building without any adjustment. Next you have to see the plant and machinery account. We have to see plant and machinery account. Opening balance debit side to balance brought down, closing balance credit side by balance carried on. Okay, next plant and machinery amount is shown increases purchase, so it is to cash purchase. If decrease, there is a two treatments, one by cash sale and by P/L depreciation. Okay, if plant and machinery will be decreased, treated as by profit and loss depreciation amount. ప్లాంట్ అండ్ మిషనరీ కనుక ప్లాంట్ అండ్ మిషనరీ వాల్యూ కనుక డిక్రీజ్ అయితే మనకి అడ్జస్ట్మెంట్స్ ఏం లేకపోతే బై ప్రాఫిట్ అండ్ లాస్ డిప్రియేషన్ కింద మనం ట్రీట్ చేయాలి. ఇఫ్ అడ్జస్ట్మెంట్ ఈస్ గివెన్ ఇన్ ఏ సేల్ ఆర్ డిప్రియేషన్, అకార్డింగ్ టు డిప్రియేషన్ అడ్జస్ట్మెంట్ విల్ బి డన్ ఇన్ ది ప్రాబ్లం. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 10,000 మిషనరీ, 10,000 మిషనరీ యాజ్ ఎ డిప్రియేషన్ 2,000, రిమైనింగ్ 8,000, sold 5,000, loss 3,000. Okay, so by cash will be shown as a 5,000. Okay, by depreciation 2,000, remaining by profit and loss account, loss on sale. Okay, 3,000. In this way we have to show in the plant and machinery account. If there is any profit in the sale in the plant and machinery, it will be showing the two profit and loss, profit on sale of asset, to profit and loss account, sale of plant and machinery. Okay, this is the plant and machinery account. Okay, plant and machinery account shown in this way. Next point, capital account. Capital account means, for example, equity share capital, preference share capital, it is a company accounts, company's balance sheet. If simply capital is given, it is a sole trading business. In what way capital account will be treated? Capital account by balance brought down, opening balance by balance brought down, closing balance to balance carried on. Capital account opening, closing given in the quotient. Only capital will be given. It is a sole trade or partnership business. If capital account will be increases, the amount treated in the two ways. Either one, net profit by P&L account. క్యాపిటల్ కనుక ఓపెనింగ్ క్లోజింగ్ రెండు ఇచ్చి మనకి క్యాపిటల్ కనుక ఇంక్రీజ్గా కనుక ఉంటే మనం ఆ అమౌంట్ని ఒకటి నెట్ ప్రాఫిట్ అని చెప్పి అనుకుంటాం. Okay, if there is an adjustment given in the question, then treat it as a according to the adjustment. Otherwise, by cash, additional capital brought, cash account to capital account, capital will be credited. If capital account will be decreases, opening balance by balance brought down to balance carried down, opening closing. So the closing will be decreases. There are two way of decrease in the capital amount. One, drawings. Two, cash treated or net loss. Depending upon the adjustment, the treatment will be taken. If they have no adjustments, the capital account will be increase or decrease, treated as a net profit or net loss. If they have any adjustments, according to the adjustment we have to the follow. If they have no adjustments, if capital amount will be increases, by P&L net profit decreases to P&L net loss. Okay. Next, we have to show the adjusted P&L account and funds flow statement, both are equally. Finally, we have coming adjusted profit and loss account. It is also known as funds from operation. It is also known as funds from operation. Okay. Next, funds flow statement. Those two statements are the main. First one, statement of changes in working capital. Second one, adjusted P&L account, funds flow statement. Remaining, we have to know already previously learned, that is the adjustments. So we can prepare either directly at the ledger accounts or indirectly post in the accounts. సో మనకి ట్రీట్మెంట్స్ కనుక బాగా ఐడెంటిఫై అయితే మనకి వస్తే నేరుగా మనం లెడ్జర్ అకౌంట్లో పోస్టింగ్ చేస్తాం. ఒకవేళ మనకి రాకపోతే లెడ్జర్ అకౌంట్స్ని ప్రిపేర్ చేసి ఫైనల్గా అడ్జస్టెడ్ P&L అకౌంట్ని, ఫండ్స్ ఫ్లో స్టేట్మెంట్ని మనం తయారు చేస్తాం. ఫస్ట్ మనం ఏం చేస్తాం, స్టేట్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ చేంజెస్ ఇన్ వర్కింగ్ క్యాపిటల్. అక్కడ వర్కింగ్ క్యాపిటల్ ఇంక్రీజ్ డిక్రీజ్ వస్తే ట్రీట్మెంట్ డేట్. If there is a increase in working capital, it means amount will be gone. So increase in working capital shown in the application. Okay. If decrease in working capital shown in the sources, decreases means the funds will be come. Decrease in working capital. This is the statement of changes in working capital. Answer will be shown in the first part. Next, we are preparing the ledger accounts remaining at equity share capital, preference share capital, reserve profit and share premium. If there will be increases, so increases means they coming the sources. So equity share capital, preference share capital, share premium issued. So issue of shares. If equity, preference, share premium decreases, it means paid. So paid amount. So equity share capital preference increases, it means issued. It decreases the payment, redeem the amount. Okay, that was the about the capital accounts. Next one, we have shown the long-term liabilities. So like debentures. If debenture increases, it means issued. If debentures decreases, redeem or repaid. Okay, or bank loan, long term loan will be shown. If you have knowledge, directly showing the account statement, funds flow statement will be shown. Otherwise we will prepare the ledger accounts. Okay. Next is reserves. Reserves will be shown in the profit and loss adjusted P&L account. So here we write general reserve, reserve fund will be shown in the ledger. In P&L account is a increases, the amount will be shown in the adjusted P&L account. General reserve fund are shown in the adjusted P&L account. Next, we prepared the asset side. Asset side will be prepared fictitious assets, always decreases. So here preliminary example, I am writing the one asset preliminary expenses written off. Written off will be shown. Credit side will be shown in the debit side. P&L items, preliminary expenses. Okay. Intangible assets will be increases, decreases. Increases will be shown in the purchase. Goodwill increases, it means purchase. If goodwill decreases, to goodwill written off. Goodwill written off. Goodwill written off will be shown. Next, depreciation on furniture, depreciation on plant and machinery are shown in the P&L. Depreciation on fixed assets. Okay. Sale of fixed assets will be shown in the sources amount. Okay, say purchase of fixed assets will be shown in the application side. Okay, next in this way we are showing the sale of land and building, sale of investment will shown in the sources, sale of investment, sale, purchase of investment, purchase of land and building, purchase of plant and machinery, purchase of furniture are shown in the application side. Okay, next let us close the adjusted P&L account will be closed. Debit will be increased, credit will be decreased. That is the funds from operation. Funds from operation. The funds which are internally have in the business. Funds from operation means those funds having internally in our business. Depreciation on assets. The amount will be shown in the internal sources of the funds. Goodwill written off, previous means written off, general reserve transferred. Those amounts are will be internally have funds. Internally funds in the different way. Okay, the amount will be shown in the funds from operation. It is shown in the sources. So funds from operation will be shown in the sources. If funds lost operation, funds lost, credit will be increased, funds lost operation. It will be shown in the application side. Funds lost operation. Okay. If you remember all these items in our brain, then we can easily solve the problems. Okay. If you like my class, please subscribe the video channel. Okay. In next funds flow part 3, we will go to explain the problems. In number of problems will be explained. Okay. Thank you for watching this class.